In automotive network testing, engineers need their tools to do more with less. Meet the Netline 1000 and the Netline 10G from b-plus. One of our customers used to rely on 2 individual converters and a separate switch for port mirroring. With the Netline, they replaced all 3 with a single compact device, cutting hardware costs and bench space dramatically. The Netline features 2 fully independent bidirectional media converter channels that simultaneously convert T1 automotive Ethernet to standard Ethernet with no cross-channel interference. Switch to network TAP mode, and the Netline decouples live traffic from both T1 line ends simultaneously, forwarding it to your measurement PC without touching or interrupting the original bus communication. True Layer 1 tap. Instant, passive, zero disruption. Configuration is completely flexible. Flip the DIP switches on the hardware for quick in-vehicle setup, no laptop needed. Or use the intuitive web interface for full software control, including auto-negotiation, master-slave assignment, and mode switching. 5 onboard signal quality LEDs give you an at-a-glance view of your T1 link health. No software needed. And when you suspect a cable issue, the built-in cable tester instantly reports line length, polarity, and connection status, open, short, or terminated. Dual media conversion, network tap, signal monitoring, and cable testing, all in one rugged device. The Netline. Simplify your T1 test setup. Visit techteal.com to learn more.
What is the best solution for data logging? It depends. On how much flexibility you need and how quickly you want to start. You can choose between an open solution with maximum freedom, full control and individual software, or an out-of-the-box solution which is ready to go, pre-configured and comes with integrated software. For the open solution, you can use our measurement platform BRIC2X11 for tailored acquisition, processing, and recording datasets with octa-core 11th Gen Intel Xeon processor. It is modular and expandable with flexible add-ons for additional interfaces. High recording performance up to 40 gigabit per second and comes with a massive I/O bandwidth. With its small form factor, it is easy to integrate, enables a simplified rack installation and comes with a rugged aluminum housing. In addition, it comes with our XTSS time synchronization software, our COD I/O interface for hardware and system management, and our disk encryption manager to protect your data. On the other hand, our measurement platform Logifier B2 can be used to simplify the collection, management, and processing of datasets. It is versatile and therefore suitable for vehicle installation and test benches. Also, the Logifier B2 comes in different scalable device classes, which enables logging bandwidths up to 160 gigabits, storage sizes up to 2 times 120 terabyte, support of up to 64 CPUs, 6 to approximately 60 logging interfaces, and GPU performance up to 300 watts. For intuitive data logging, recording, storing and distribution of high data volumes, it supports Ethernet, CAN, LIN, FlexRay, Automotive Ethernet, GMSL and FPD-Link, as well as the data formats PCAPNG and MDF4. With the Logifier B2 you get 3 devices in one, a logging solution for high-speed data acquisition with multi-format support and real-time processing. A mobile NAS, scalable, high-performance storage for large AI datasets in mobile and automotive applications, and as a virtual machine where client applications run in a virtual machine and connect seamlessly via standard interfaces and protocols. So what's the best solution for data logging? An open solution or an out-of-the-box solution? In any case, b-plus. Contact us for more information.
Have you ever felt like you're buried in paperwork while managing your test vehicles? Don't worry, you're probably not alone. But we've got just the right solution to turn that chaos into order. Introducing our Connex Test Suite solution, where even your messiest paperwork, it's organized. Especially in a world where efficiency and organization are key to success, managing your fleet precisely is essential. But with Connex Test Fleet Solution, you can easily organize your fleets and test vehicles. Keep track of all the important documents, configurations, software versions, and setups. Starting with our dashboard, which is always the entry point for every test drive analysis. You can quickly find your test vehicles or track their movements in real time. Plus, you can check their health state to make informed decisions on the go. It doesn't matter if your vehicles are online or offline, you can quickly access their locations and last known health state. And then, with just a simple click, you can access all the details of any specific vehicle in your fleet. You get a detailed view of all the attributes of your vehicle, components, hosts, software versions, and even a centralized file center. Set up your own health monitoring by defining signals and thresholds. With an easy-to-understand traffic light symbol, you can instantly recognize the status of your car, which is very crucial for both drivers and managers. The alert of the health state will show up on the driver dashboard and the web front end, making sure critical information is always visible. You can even look back at past routes and get all the historical insights. Our test fleet solution offers a very powerful tool to analyze all your driving data, providing both predefined and customizable analytics. Access all the metadata like driving time and mileage to understand your vehicle usage. You can even create custom analytics by crafting your own filters to find exactly what you're looking for. You can click into specific driving sessions and extract information from all collected inputs for each recorded timestamp. But of course, before you start your test drive, make sure that all your systems are up to date. We simplify that with our task management and deployment. Create tasks and deploy them remotely to any vehicle, offering immediate or scheduled over-the-air rollouts. Whether it's an ECU update, changes in configurations, or system diagnostics, everything is done with just a single click. If a vehicle is offline, don't worry, the task will queue and execute when the system starts next. So every action is tracked for complete traceability. Our test fleet solution also transforms how driving campaigns are planned. You can see that all in our campaign manager view. Just create a new campaign, define your objectives, assign the fleet, and hit the road. You can monitor all the progress of your campaign in our live dashboard, giving you all the information to optimize your operations. You can keep track of your goals to save time and cost. Of course, to start a campaign, you need to plan your routes ahead. Connex Test Fleet Solution makes managing driving routes very easy. You can load predefined routes and assign them to any specific vehicle in your fleet. Drivers can then start their journey with a clear, predefined points of interest, ensuring efficient route completion. To manage all your storages and data, we even support you with that. Just start with a simple listing of all your devices, including the details like serial number, disk space, and location. You can simplify all your logistics and tracking of your storage devices. We also have a driver dashboard that is directly in the car that supports the driver with custom visualization. You can use, for example, the label view to create metadata and gain even more insights into the recorded data. Find interesting spots by picking the recording that matter the most. You can also debug into details during a test drive with our signal view. Look at interesting signals and also save time finding the root cause of any issue while you're test driving. You can also use our driver communication possibilities like a shift protocol and our integrated chat function to always stay in touch with your driver. Around all these features, unlock the full potential of your operations with our automation center. Just simply set up rules to automate error messages, shift protocol reports, and more. Just choose and configure triggers to your specific needs. Outline the steps the automation will follow, so you are ensuring precision in every task. Finally, just define the action that should be taken to complete your custom automation. With Connex Test Fleet Solution, you're not just managing your fleet, you're transforming it. Imagine having complete control, real-time insights, and seamless automation in one powerful tool. Experience the future of fleet management today with Connex Test Fleet Solution. If you're interested in trying our free demo, check it out on our website.
Over the years, humans learned to perceive their environment through their senses and interpret it based on experience. AI relies on sensor data like pixels, radar waves, or LiDAR points to perceive and interpret its surroundings. That's a massive amount of data. But 80% of data used for AI application is useless. Uncover and refine the 20% that truly matters with Connex DPC. AI models recognize patterns and generate predictions based on data. In safety-critical automotive applications like pedestrian detection, high-quality labeled datasets are essential. Data quality is key. Noisy or incomplete data leads to unreliable AI models. That's why you need the following dataset essentials. Volume. Managing vast amounts of data demands significant computing and storage resources. Labeling. Annotation at scale is complex and expensive and requires human interaction. Privacy and ethics. Handling sensitive data requires strict privacy compliance and ethical considerations. And last but not least, quality. Data must be representative, balanced, relevant, and accurately labeled. High-quality curated and annotated data is the biggest bottleneck in AI development. Inconsistent annotations, incomplete datasets, or poor quality control leads to higher costs, delayed development, and weaker model performance. With our tool, we help you to maximize the quality of your datasets. Therefore, we offer labeling services, including high-quality data annotation, AI-powered labeling with human expertise, semantic segmentation, bounding boxes, and so on. Quality assurance services, such as detection and correction of dataset shortcomings, rigorous validation and verification, and automated and expert-led quality assurance. Comprehensive AI data solutions, with end-to-end services as a one-stop shop, adaptive to unique requirements and support of custom formats and tool chains. We deliver an end-to-end data processing approach for high-quality, curated, and verified datasets. Therefore, we are working along the data pipeline. Do you want to improve your data quality as well? Reach out to us for more information.
Hello, my name is Joe. I'm a business developer at b-plus. I'm proud to present you our newly designed demo car Max. Join me for a few minutes to follow the data from the sensor to the cloud. We have a gig E-Vision camera for driver observation, 2 LVDS cameras behind the windscreen, one on the hood and one to observe the traffic behind. In each of the 2 exterior mirrors, there are another 2 cameras. On the roof, a 360-degree LiDAR and a 90-degree micro-motion LiDAR. All sensor data streams arrive in our trunk, where a selection of our hardware and software products is ready for them. Our data recorder brick can receive time information from GPS and distribute it on Ethernet with PTP or GPTP protocol to measurement data interfaces or sensors. So the LVDS data streams from the cameras are precisely time-stamped and converted to Ethernet in our MDI link devices. One base T1 automotive Ethernet data stream is converted to base T Ethernet in our NetLine. The GigE camera is not only time synchronized, but also supplied with power over Ethernet from our recorder. If many sensors or measurement interfaces are to be connected, we recommend to use our time-aware Ethernet switch. Our recording software is optimized for recording speed by transporting incoming data streams as close to the hardware layer as possible to the storage unit. Only if individual data streams need to be visualized or analyzed, they are distributed to higher software layers. For our storage cartridges, various data ingest options are available. As a huge data storage option, we have our MD Lake, which can be filled and emptied extremely fast with its 2 100 gigabit per second interfaces. We use the 100 gigabit connections as a backbone data network to make all data streams available to our data links. By the way, this device, equipped with add-ons for time synchronous data capturing and storage cartridges, can be used as a high-end recorder. With its enormous processing power, data can be analyzed while driving, for example, with the help of artificial intelligence. The results are typically used for pre-labeling the raw data and also for intelligently control a recorder. In this way, only the data of interest for further processing is recorded. This meta information can also be passed on to fleet managers in real time. They use our test fleet solution to manage their fleet more efficiently. No matter if information shall be shown to the driver, a new software version has to be deployed to a device under test or the recorder, or the campaign goal has to be observed. All in all, with our Max, we demonstrate some major components of our smart data harvesting portfolio. Cherry picking is absolutely welcome, and of course, we also offer engineering services to hand over complete solutions to you. Get in touch with us for your individual system setup. Take care.